Gajbaje is a specialty of the Kerala GSPs. This includes many veggies of the monsoon season. This is especially made for Janmashtami day too. Here are about 10 terrapan or Kochi leaves. Choose tender ones so that you need to remove only the main vein like this. After washing the leaves thoroughly, we have to make ganti or knots with them. Hold the leaf like this and start to gently roll it. Then tie it into a knot like this. My dear friend Veena Nayakatta has kindly shared a video of her mother making these knots skillfully. If you're finding it difficult, you can simply roll it like this too, till it has become tightly rolled, and then tie the knot. Now the gantis are ready. Take about 4 ventis or cocacea stems. Peel the skin and cut it to pieces.
सर्वांके केगेजय चॅनलांतूय स्वागत. आता मी शेअर व्हिडिओज चड केल्या नसर इंग्लिशांतूय आमगेले कोंकणी भाशेंतूय तिचणीचे मिरसाणीचे कुडसाणीचे रंदेई अडगई हे सगळं व्हिडिओस तुम्ही एक व्यू करका आणि सर्वांके पामचे मोठे शेअर करका. व्हिडिओस लाईक कराय, शेअर कराय आणि सबस्क्राईब कराय.
I have 3 Monday or Konkani from my garden. Now to wash, peel and cut them into pieces like this and adding to the pan in which I will cook. Also wash and cut chevli or string beans into pieces and add a 1/4 cup of it too. As a souring agent, you can either add a dharang kabbar, starfruit or ambado, hog plums. Add about 1/4 cup of either of them. Chop the star fruit and add. If the hog plum is tender, you can chop. If not, just crush and add. Slit and add a few green chilies as per your spice level. You may also add a few jackfruit seeds. Now keep the pan on medium flame. Add sufficient water to cook and salt to taste. Cover and let cook. Stir gently in between. When it is almost cooked, add half cup of grated coconut and continue cooking till done. After switching off, add quarter teaspoon hing and drizzle some coconut oil. Cover and let the flavors infuse. Serve as a side dish with rice. As usual, do not forget to like and subscribe.